Is your Ring Doorbell not pushing alerts when its button is pressed? Don't worry, stick around till the end of this video to get a much clearer understanding as to why your Ring Doorbell behaves like this and how you can fix the same. Let's first clear the most obvious reason as to why this happens. Faulty hardware. The button on your Ring Doorbell can get stuck with frequent use or if dust settles within the gaps of the button. Since the doorbells are usually mounted outside, facing the wrath of Mother Nature, this is quite a common issue for Ring Doorbells in general. Now, fixing this on your own is quite a tricky ordeal. I recommend that you unmount the doorbell and try wiping the button area with electronic safe isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Even after cleaning, if your button seems to get stuck often, I recommend that you get a certified technician to check out your doorbell. There are plenty of guides available on the internet in fixing a stuck button, but if you don't know what you're doing, you might risk damaging the device. Whether your doorbell is a wired or a wireless model, power is essential for the functioning of the device. If you have a wireless model like the video doorbell that I have here, I recommend that you first ensure that your device is sufficiently charged. Ring doorbells, like any other electronic gadget, have specific guidelines and recommendations that you need to follow to properly juice up the device. To check the proper charging requirements of your video doorbell, just remove the back panel of your device and Ring should have proper instructions printed. But in general, I recommend that you stick to a power adapter that supplies low power and avoid your smartphone charging bricks since recent ones can pump out a lot of power. If you're using a wired doorbell, I recommend that you check the cables for any visible damage. Wear and tear can hinder the proper operations of your cable. If you find any red flags, I recommend that you contact Ring to get your device checked. Ring Chime is a very interesting device that connects to your Ring Doorbell and enables you to get alerted via the Chime speakers when the button on your doorbell is pressed. Although I don't personally use it, I've had viewers tell me that their doorbell sometimes worked more reliably when the Chime wasn't connected to the Ring setup. So just try and disable your Chime for a few days and see if your Ring Doorbell responds in a better fashion. If nothing works, I recommend that you reset your device just to get rid of any potential bugs that might have been causing this issue in the first place. To reset your doorbell, just remove the back panel of your device and press the orange reset button on the back for at least 20 seconds. Ideally, your doorbell should now start flashing white lights up front. If nothing happens even after the reset, then it's best to get a technician from Ring to check out your device. And with that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about regarding fixing a Ring Doorbell that doesn't work when the button up front is pressed. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Ring content like this.